A real hot breakfast in less than 5 minutes? Yes, please. This is the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, and what I love most is it makes two hot sandwiches at once in about 5 minutes. So if I'm making one for myself and one for someone else, or if I'm just meal prepping breakfast, it's so convenient. You just plug it in, wait for the preheat light to turn green, and then start layering your ingredients. Today I'm making an egg with turkey bacon sandwich for me and a turkey cheese melt for my husband. But you can get creative with other lunch sandwiches, other grilled cheese, leftovers, desserts. For my sandwiches, first I'm putting a buttered piece of sourdough down, and then I'm adding my cooked meat and cheese ingredients. Then I close down the center plates, and then I can crack my egg and cook the egg. Then I just close the cover and set the timer for 2 minutes to let the egg cook. Once the timer beeps, I just open it up and add the last piece of bread on top and then let that toast for a little bit. The sandwiches come out hot, melty, and taste so good. I think this little kitchen gadget is perfect for busy mornings, couples, families, late night snacks, dorm rooms, or anyone just trying to skip expensive fast food breakfast runs. I like how I can use my own fresh ingredients, and I like how it's just so quick, easy, and cleanup is simple, and you can remove the parts and even stick them in the dishwasher. Honestly, this has been such a smart kitchen gadget to have on hand, and I'm thankful that the brand gifted it to me to try out.